Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Find the right. Take a shot.
It's just a wee hot there. Yes, come on. I don't know where it is.
They stopped us.
No lessons learned from that shit show last year.
Oh, don't we just talking about that? Literally just talking about that. We've been doing this for 74 years. We'll get it next year. Every time I climb it. By 1st of September.
Aye, okay.
Right guys, if you can stop there for 2 seconds. He's going to win at that fight. Oh, you go guys. I don't know, I'm pretty big, I might stop.
I don't know. Sean, you're legit famous. No, that's so funny.
That's so funny. I don't know that I was there for that one. I had to sing them all. It's oxygen for a big blow right now, man. Speaking to Jesus, not watch your back. Alright, guys, I'm going to stop you there for 2 seconds. On you go, pretty boy. On you go. You two. You two. Alright, face for a radio. I think it passed through. Not seen you since 2 hours ago. I know.
Yeah, sorry, excuse me, I'm just coming by, thank you.
Hi there. Cheers, thank you. You missed me already? I have. Alright, cheers, nice. Morning! George!
Say that, you know. Everyone thinks we're such a
Oh, that's it.
Good evening.
You got there. What a cake. You got there. Only 27 of these to go.
I do not consent.
I'll help you with that. You doing alright?
We were waiting for it.
You doing alright?
Sorry, phone.
So hearing us soon. Guys, if I can stop you there for 2 seconds. Thank you. In a wee bit more. Watch for the car.
Been here for a long time. Bye-bye. Have fun. Yeah, good luck.
Why is this decision? Sorry, madam.
Don't talk to me.
No, you're a princess. You're a princess.
How are you doing?
And if I say it in the right athletic form,
Hey, baby. Did you miss me already? Yep. Sir? That's my favorite.
Right. Actually, that rings a bell. That's the Eddie's.
What do you want? Only 27 of these to go.
Trying to get to the ICC, but I'm just saying, I've got things happening. Is it not access?
Guys, make way. You can't go in.
So I've got to go down there.
There's no public access.
I'm not going to manage this. Do you know where I might get a taxi from?
One of the first preview night, yes, for media and ticket holders. The castle will be open in the morning as normal, yeah, but the show you won't be able to. Unless you got tickets. There's a lot of stairs. You might want to go the other way, it'll be easier. Just clean the hill because it's easier to suitcase rather than.
Il y a juste un coup d'œil sur le château quand même.
It can't be more subtle than this.
Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Cheers.
Bye. Bye. 又上来了 ，sorry。还有，你看 Edgeworth 是一个世界级的优惠苏格兰传统。
I remember your cast bar. I'm right in front of me with that drum.
Sorry,
Honestly, that guy's about 8 foot tall. He was right here with the drum, like.
C'est tutti fossero scienziati.
升110的票了，20到110，但是明天只剩110的票。走吧，走吧。
我下楼就可能，走吧。
You're gonna dribble in small dribs, so up to you. Good luck.
Je peux demander s'ils font
至少110，你看正好的人。
多少钱啊？
Yeah, okay, I know. So we are leaving today, so we're not really choice, but and they will play. So, okay. Thank you.
Right, please, off the road.
Papo 20 sterline a persona.
Su weekend. But I'm gonna say Ducati, but it's
See you later.
Alex and Uncle Albert. BBC Livewire. She'll
Yes, he murdered that man.
Found it tonight, so that we're going to march off down around the corner.
He's away with Redford getting more stuff tomorrow. Is it?
Yeah.
You see the doggy with a stick.
Not like I would have gone instead of EVR last 2 points because I've done I did Lithuania, no Harry that. I did Italy and then
Are you guys gonna do performance of this? Yes.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਕਿ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੇ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹਾਂ
ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਣ ਤਾਂ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ
ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬੁਲਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਕੋ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਵਧੀਆ ਬੈਂਡ ਤੇ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਹਾਂ
ਇੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ
I've been listening to